we're going to go through and use an AI agent in NA10 and a Google Sheets node to pull in the information. In this use case, we've now got an Amazon Insights report, which is just detailing out lots of different orders, the amount, the different categories, example customer names, and much more. Once it's gone through and actually analyzed the data, we're going to get an in-depth report that's going to be produced. So if we open this up, what we'll see here is we've got a nice long detailed insight into all of that data within our Google Sheet. We're then going to come through and create a storyboard. In this use case, we want a 5-part video narrative, and as part of this output, we need to have the image and the voiceover that we want to create. Once we've done this, we're then going to come through and start generating the images with a platform called Key. And then once we've gone through and downloaded that image and stored it locally within our NA10 instance, we're then going to come through and use in-world AI to do the voiceover, and I'll explain why we're using that versus 11 Labs. And then we're simply going to put it all together using FFmpeg installed on our NA10 instance. So as we can see, it's quickly gone through and actually sent off that request to generate the image. It's now going to go through and keep looping around until those images have gone from waiting, i.e. generating the image, to actually having that status being complete. So it's now completed. We've now downloaded the 5 images. So we've got image 1, we've got image 2, image 3, image 4, and last but not least, image 5. And again, you can completely tailor the prompt, which I'll show you a bit later on, so that you can tailor it to what you want. We've then gone through, stored that image locally. We've then requested our voiceover to be generated, which I can show you the output here. We've stored that, and now we're using FFmpeg just to put all of those videos together, and I'll show you the downloaded file in a second, how we can store it in Google Drive and in Gmail. So there we go, it's now just gone through, generated that entire video for us.
You have 199,070.
As we can see there in the background, it's also come through and stored it in our Google Drive, and we should have that latest one that's just been generated. So as you can see here, it's stored in the background, and then it's gone through and also sent us an email explaining the insights and attaching the final video. So let's go across, and there we go, we've got a new email up the top, and this is what that entire insight looks like, breaking down the data snapshots, some key findings. We've got lots and lots of details in here, so you can completely tailor this to your use case. And if we come down the bottom, we've got that video attached as well.